Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Brent McGrath, and I'm the host of Talks and Discussions, What Matters and What Doesn't Matter. Today, I have a young man here from Montreal, Canada, and he works for Arius Protective Packaging. His name is Dara V. How are you doing, Dara?
Fine, thank you, Brent. Thank you for having me today. It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure to have you. I guess the first question I'd like to ask you would be, is your protective packaging one size fits all, or do you actually customize to fit the products that people ship?
Okay, we proudly call ourselves a custom packaging house, and that's because unlike the other companies at Aries, we form fit our inflatables to fit your product.
Okay. Can you give us some examples?
Sure. So just for you to know, this is how we ship our packages. They arrive flat to you. So it means they're saving space already in your warehouse and saving space in the transport when you get it. And then they inflate and form fit to the specific form of your product. So if you're just starting, the manual inflation kit will do the job for you. Otherwise, if you are processing large volumes, we have the Aries inflation station who can handle the automatic process.
That sounds pretty interesting.
Our main goal is to provide you with an engineered solution that can fit your product and make it arrive safe at their destination. We want our customers to consider Aries protective packaging extension of their logistic and operation staff.
Okay, that makes sense. So I take it that once I ship a product, whatever kind of product, if it happens to be breakable, and you put your product around it, if one of the drivers tosses it out the window and it hits the ground 5 times, it's still not going to break?
Exactly. Most of our packages have passed the ISTA drop and vibration test. So you can be confident that when you're shipping with Aries, your product's gonna reach their destination intact, unlike with the fillers or other materials out there in the market.
That's good to know. What kind of industries have you worked with?
We're currently working with the automotive industry, the pharmaceutical, the musical instruments, companies. We provide also the food and electronic industries. We provide packaging for something as little as a smartphone and as big as a minivan windshield. So whatever is in between, we'll have something that fits you.
Well, that's pretty good. So let me see, what is your business area? Where do you ship to and from, and how does that work?
Our larger customer base is located mostly in the United States. I would say 80% of them are based in there. We have customers here in Canada, and right now our main goal is to expand to Mexico and the Latin American market. And that's one of the reasons I'm working with Aries. And me as a Mexican-born guy, sure could help with that.
Well, yes, that's very much so. And I think one of the things I really like about your product is that it's reusable.
Exactly. Once the product reaches their destination, you can reuse the package, or if not, you can just cut it, take out the air, and recycle. That's how we want to help the environment, by reducing the carbon footprint, not only at the last step on your shipping. We want to do it through your entire chain, like production chain.
Well, it sounds like a really great idea, and I wish somebody would have thought of this 25 years ago, but at least we have it now in our supply chain, which makes things a little bit safer for our packages.
Of course, it's never late to start shipping the better way, right? So
that's true.
If you want to ship it safe, ship it with Aries.
Great slogan. Hey.
Well, our slogan is think inside the box, and that's what we try to do for you. We take care of what's inside and what matters for our clients, which is their brand.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dara, for being on the show today. I really appreciate all the information that you've given the audience.
Thank you, Brent, and I'm sure for your audience, you're gonna put in the description below some of the links so they can learn more about how we do this stuff in Aries protective packaging.
You got it. I'll do that for sure. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Brent. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Ciao.